welcome to the National Teachers College. This video will walk you through NTC's health and safety protocols in effect to help mitigate COVID-19. These guidelines are to be carried out by everyone who wish to enter NTC campus. Assess your health condition. Assess your health condition before leaving your home. If you feel unwell, even if something minor like a cold, please stay at home until symptom-free for the last 14 days. If symptom-free and fully vaccinated, you may proceed at NTC. Do not forget the following essential items: face mask, personal hygiene kit containing 70% solution rubbing alcohol or hand sanitizer, either cleansing wipes, tissue paper, toilet paper, hand towel, extra mask, and hand soap. Do not forget to bring your food and water. Entry protocols.
NTC is strictly enforcing a no face mask, no vaccination card, and no entry policy.
Wearing a mask is a critical public health tool for preventing the spread of COVID-19, and it is important to remember that any mask is better than no mask. Also, wearing a double face mask with high levels of protection and filtration is advisable, especially with the threat of various strains of COVID-19. Ensure that the mask you wear is well fitted, comfortable, and not loose, because a properly fitting mask provides the highest level of protection. There are various types of masks that we can use. The most common are the cloth mask and the surgical mask.
Face mask is required to be worn at all times while inside the campus.
To help with the foot traffic and ensure proper physical distancing, entrance for students is at the main entrance gate. Entrance for visitors is at the elementary gate, and entrance for employees is at the Pasaje del Carmen gate. Fall in line and follow queue markers in the floorings. Step onto the disinfecting foot bath. All must observe strict hand hygiene through hand washing in the lavatories or alcohol dispenser at the entrance. It is best to download Stay Safe application and scan the QR code at the entrance and present it to the guard together with your valid ID and vaccination card. If you do not have the Stay Safe application, fill up the health declaration form online or in paper form and submit it to the nurse in charge before entering the campus. Thermal cameras are installed at the entrance area. Anybody found with a temperature of 37.5 degrees Celsius and above shall be brought to the temporary staging area for scanning after 5 minutes. If found positive with fever, they shall be brought to the isolation room for further assessment. A nurse station is placed at entrance for screening of visitors with symptoms to disallow entry into the campus. The nurse may send the patient with medical advice or refer to health facilities and may call DOH. Physical distancing protocols. While on campus premises, always maintain a 1.5 meter distance between yourself and others. Silence must be observed in all common areas. Obey all directional signages, distancing signages, and unidirectional floor markings installed around the campus. Students are advised to leave the school premises after dismissal. Exit for students and visitors is at the high school gate. Exit for employees is at the main driveway. Protocols while in campus. Fall in line and follow cue markers in the floorings as you enter the classroom. Step on disinfecting foot bath. Seats are arranged 1.5 meter apart. Wipe down your chair or work areas before occupying the same and after using them. Choose a permanent seat for the duration of the semester.
Students will be asked to wear face masks at all times.
Teachers' desks are provided with plastic shields or curtains. Doors and windows will be kept open for proper ventilation. Do not worry, air conditioners will still be running. For proper ventilation, 2 classrooms will be assigned per class. Each class will rotate between the 2 classrooms on an hourly basis to allow proper ventilation and time for disinfection of rooms. While empty, classrooms will be equipped with exhaust fans to allow fresh intake of air. NTC follows a 212 model where students, at their option, are allowed to enter the campus 2 days out of every 2 weeks for scheduled face-to-face sessions. Teachers will be in school 4 days out of every 2 weeks. Students shall be given the option to attend physical or online situation. Physical education and laboratories shall be on rotation basis. Similar to classroom setup, to limit the number of students inside the venue. If possible, PE shall be conducted in the quadrangle. Library staff manages and regulates the influx of visitors in the library. A maximum number of visitors inside is maintained.
Each visitor is allowed to stay at a maximum of 1 hour a day to undertake research and readings. Face masks is always required to be worn at all times.
Visitors must fall in line outside the library to wait for their turn. Only 50% of the cubicles and or urinals are operated. A limited number of users is observed. Those next in line must queue up outside of the restroom and wait for their turn. Put down the toilet seat covers when flushing. All are encouraged to wash their hands frequently, giving each instance at least 20 seconds of vigorous soaping. Students will take breaks at designated areas in the campus. It is recommended to bring your own food. No talking while eating policy will be enforced. For your safety, common areas and all frequently handled items such as doorknobs and handles are cleaned and disinfected every 2 hours. Deep cleaning done at night utilizing UV lighting. All are required to wipe down their seats or work areas before occupying the same and after using them. Throw used single-use items in designated trash bins. All are enjoined to follow the health and safety protocols discussed. Health and safety officers are assigned around NTC campus to monitor and oversee the implementation of the health and safety protocols. Let us all help each other to be safe from COVID-19 while at NTC.